Hey everyone, welcome back to SlideShow Story. Today, we're diving into the world of PowerPoint designed to transform your slides from mere to mesmerizing. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest content notifications. First, insert a rectangle to cover the entire canvas. Then, use the scribble tool to draw a random shape. Select both shapes, go to the Merge option in the Format tab, and fragment them. Delete the random shape outside the canvas. I have already downloaded the image. I am going to add 2 images from them. Scale down the size of both images. Right-click on random shape and bring it forward. Now, hide 2 images behind the random shape. Now click on the rectangle, go to the selection pane, rename the rectangle and random shape. It will be easy to identify the shapes separately in future. Add more images. Increase the size a bit more. Now, add new text box. Type a headline. Change the text font. Increase the font size. Align at center of the canvas. Add a node image right size and will cover the entire empty space. Click on the random shape, go to the Format shape, remove the outlines. Change the background color into the white. Do the same changes for rectangle. Then, duplicate the first slide. Reduce the size of each element on the canvas. Increase the size of the images hidden behind the random shape. Bring them forward as well. Finally, I am deleting the unwanted slide containing the all resources images. Select both slides. Apply morph transition. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.